All right, good morning, everybody. I'm here with Adam and Marie.
Hey.
We're going to get you a little bit of explanation on what's going on with plans to change your tub. I'm going to let Adam take it away.
All right, so what we have in existing framing right now for the tub, if we were to switch the tub and do the freestanding tub that you sent, we have 71.5 inches from the finished drywall on that side to where the curb is here. Your tub is 68 inches wide, which only leaves about 1.5 inches to 2 inches on each side of the tub in between where this curb would be and the wall when everything was to get.
Because you've got the 71 and a half right there and 68 where the tub length is. Here. So the shape of your tub.
Obviously the tub would be somewhere around where the 68 would be and where the end of the tape measure is on that end.
Okay.
And then of course all this has to be taken out, fixed. The electrical that's in the wall on that side.
It's over here.
Which we don't know from any of the specs that I have looked up for your tub what's required for the electrical or where it needs to go. Because there's nothing even from the website of the actual tub manufacturer on anything to do with the motor that drives the air bubble whirlpool part of that tub.
Okay.
Short of getting the tub, because there's nothing anywhere online about it, I won't know what to do with that beforehand. If we need more space, then part of this whole shower would have to be redone.
Scooted that way, right?
If you're fine with the 1.5 inches on each side, which is going to make it difficult for you to be able to clean around, because you're going to have to lay on the floor
to get into the little triangles.
To the side of it. Then still when we take this out, which there's a lot of framing underneath there that has to be redone, including part of the shower, which will include having to redo the rubber membrane here on the bottom of the shower, having it all retested and inspected, and before we can move forward with the rest of the repairs for the tub.
Okay.
So that thousands of dollars? Are we talking thousands?
Yes, probably.
Okay. Just in resetting.
Okay, so right now what we need, we obviously don't have a full quote. However, what we do know is we're not sure about where electrical is on this other tub.
We'd have to get the tub first, then I can actually figure out the pricing of everything.
Okay.
You'd have to be okay with getting the tub and moving forward with it, knowing that there's going to be more expenses in it. Once we have the tub and I know what to do with the electrical, then I get you the price, and then we can move forward with taking this out.
Okay.
And the process of that would be demoing all of this, fixing the walls, drywall, trim, paint, electrical in there, etc., before we can even move forward with the floors. Because the floors have to go in before the tub does. But I got to get all that stuff fixed before the tub, because nobody can get in there with 1.5 inches or 2 inches of space to do any work behind it.
Okay.
So all of that has to be the wall repairs, the drywall, trim it back out, getting the painter back out here to fix this area will all have to be done before
the floors.
The flooring can get done.
And then this can all then the tub can go in and the tiles and the things.
Well, the floor would go in before the tub would go. The tub would be the last thing, but I have to have the tub to know what I need to do.
I gotcha.
Because there's
right.
very limited information online about that tub.
Right. Okay.
There's nothing on there about the motors, with the exception it has 14 jets. That's the only thing in there about it.
Okay.
And it has the same type of push button that this tub has to actually actuate it, but it doesn't show anywhere in there where the motor goes, what size circuit it would require, anything like that.
Okay. So unfortunately, the tub needs to be ordered and delivered for you to really give a better quote.
Yes, ma'am.
To us. Okay. Understood. And then for clarification, can you tell us more about what's happening over here?
Well, let's look at it over here first.
Okay.
So if you're wanting to lower the makeup section in the closet, it would be this height. Okay?
Okay.
If we lower it to this height, the drawer section of the makeup thing would be consistent in the drawer heights of these drawers that are here versus what the size drawers that are here.
Okay.
These are all taller, you know. Now, needing clarification of what to lower, just this section. So then you'd have a tall section with a countertop, this section with a countertop, and another section with a countertop, and the same thing on this side. Or this whole thing gets lowered, which this cabinet would, and this cabinet would both have to be taken out and rebuilt to make the drawers smaller, so they all line up for everything being shorter.
Understood. Okay, so we're wanting to know, do we make it like stairs where just this center section is coming down? Or do we take the whole section between the two larger sides and bring all of it down?
And this section in the middle is 24 inches, and each side is right at 12.
Okay. And the height that it would change to is that height?
It would be the height of the master bathroom vanity.
Can you show us what that is with that tape? Just pop it over there so we can see.
So this is from the unfinished floor.
About 31.
Yeah.
A little over 31. Okay. Perfect. And there are still 3 drawers.
Yeah.
There's still 3 drawers that they can fit. They're just not going to be the same size as the ones in there if they switch it like this.
Correct.
But thank you. We appreciate you explaining these things so that we can help get the right answers.
No problem.
Have a great day.
Bye.